Mandy with Sugar Bee Crafts. I love to make stuff. I love expressing creativity, and I love to inspire that creativity in others and in you. Today I'm going to show you how to make a wreath for your front door with a little hint of spooky to it. You can express your creativity as you create custom pieces for your wreath. I love using my Silhouette Cameo machine for lots of different crafting projects. I love that you have the ability to create whatever you need for whatever project you're working on just out of some cardstock. I grabbed all the supplies that I needed for the project at Michael's. I often grab several things that catch my eye, and then when I get home I figure out which things that I would like to use in the project. I grabbed these wooden wreath forms, and first up we are going to paint those black because this is a Halloween wreath. While that paint is drying, you can go ahead and cut your custom shapes using your Silhouette Cameo machine. I cut the bats out of plain black cardstock. I cut the letters out of glitter cardstock to add a little bit of extra fun. I liked layering the wreath forms, and to connect them I used simple floral wire snipped with a wire cutter and hot glued onto the back. Lights for your wreath are optional, but if you want to add them, I would add them at this point so that they are under your spider webs. I just wrapped them around, and I made sure that the battery pack was going to be at the top of my wreath under where I would place a bow. Here you can see the back of the wreath. You can see the floral wire that was hot glued on to keep those two rims separate. You can see the wrapped lights and the box at the top, and then you can also see the spider webs around. I added a touch of spider webs over the top of the lights, and then I added the bats. To be able to have the bats flying off my wreath, I used again the floral wire and hot glued the wire to the back of each bat, and then attached that to the back of the wreath. After you've attached your bats, if you feel like some are flying in different directions that you would like them, the floral wire is flexible, so you're able to bend the bats into the position that you would like them to be. When cutting the letters with my Silhouette Cameo machine, I made sure to add holes to the top of each letter so that I could string them on twine and tie that to the center of the wreath to make the banner. The final touch was the bow, and I actually purchased this bow from Michael's pre-made. It was so easy that way. And that's all there is to it. To hang on your door, you can wrap some twine around it and put on a door wreath hanger. Have fun making your own wreath. Think about all the things that you can pull together and get creative with it. Enjoy using your Silhouette Cameo machine as you cut out those custom pieces and really give that wreath your own personal touch. Again, I'm Mandy with Sugar Bee Crafts. Have fun making your own projects at home. I can't wait to see you be creative.